Attorney General today appeared before the National Assembly Committee for Vetting, and the lawmaker has insisted on the need to involve public constitutional amendments and introducing policy guidelines for public participation with the exercise of liberal democracy. Take a look.
Dorcas, the nominee for Attorney General, has pledged to involve the public in reviewing the Constitution, insisting on exercising liberal democracy if approved. Appearing before the National Assembly Committee headed by Moses Wetangula, Dorcas has added that the Constitution is, and I quote, ripe to be reviewed.
We exercise liberal democracy by the people and for the people. And the rule of law requires that when we make laws, people must participate in making of laws. The laws must be available. The laws must be accessible. It is therefore my submission, Mr. Speaker, sir, as to what should be changed in the constitutional constitution or reviewed in the constitution will depend on what Kenyans will decide. We are now ripe to relook at the constitution.
The Secretary of Public Prosecutions at the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution has also vowed to lead in defending the government so that it does not lose court cases.
Whether or not I will be able to go to court to defend the government, Honorable Speaker, sir, and members of this committee, I will lead from the front.
She has also touched on the issue of compensation of the people who were affected during the unfinanced bill protest, a question that was raised during the vetting, where she said that she will prioritize that as it is a part of Attorney General's work.
To buttress the gaps that I was talking about in the criminal justice system, I think the Victim Compensation Act and the Victim Compensation Board, I'm sorry if I don't get the names right, that fall under the Office of the Attorney General should be operationalized so that we give the parameters and the standards of compensation of victims.
If approved, the nominee will go down in history as the first female Attorney General in Kenya and will be expected to formulate legal policies and ensure proper administration of Kenya's legal system, including promoting, protecting, and upholding the rule of law and defending the public interest, which she has insisted on doing.
Oduor, do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matter under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Oduor, who is a High Court advocate with a master's degree in international conflict management and a Bachelor of Laws from the University of Nairobi, if approved, she will replace former Attorney General Justin Muturi following his July 11 sacking alongside the entire cabinet by His Excellency President William Ruto. Dongo Pauline, KUTV.